This is Akashvani. The news read by Anuja Kumar. The government is sending 7 multi-party delegations to different countries to present India's stand against Pakistan-sponsored terrorism in the wake of Operation Sindoor. The delegations are set to visit key partner countries, including members of the UN Security Council, later this month. Delegations include MPs from different political parties, prominent political personalities and distinguished diplomats. All party delegations will project India's national consensus and resolute approach to combating terrorism in all its forms and manifestations. The 7 delegations will be led by BJP's Ravi Shankar Prasad and Baijayant Panda, Congress's Shashi Tharoor, JDU's Sanjay Kumar Jha, DMK's Kanimuri Karunanidhi, NCP's Supriya Sule and Shiv Sena's Srikanth Eknath Shinde. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju emphasized the delegations will carry India's unified message of zero tolerance toward terrorism, standing as a powerful reflection of national unity above politics and beyond differences. Congress MP Shashi Tharoor thanked the centre for the invitation to lead an all-party delegation to 5 key capitals. The National Investigation Agency NIA has arrested 2 absconders identified as members of a sleeper module of the banned ISIS terror organization in a 2023 case related to fabrication and testing of improvised explosive devices, IEDs, in Pune, Maharashtra. The NIA, in a statement, informed the 2 men were intercepted by the Bureau of Immigration at the Mumbai International Airport Terminal 2. The agency further informed that the 2 accused had been on the run for the past 2 years and also had non-bailable warrants issued against them by the NIA Special Court, Mumbai. It added that the 2 men, already charge-sheeted along with the other arrested accused, had been engaged in assembling IEDs from a rented house in Pune. The investigations in the case are continuing. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has said the ongoing trade negotiations with the US are complex and far from final. Mr. S. Jaishankar said this on Donald Trump's statement in which he claimed that India offered to remove all tariffs on American goods. Talking to reporters, Mr. S. Jaishankar said, between India and the US, trade talks have been going on and trade deal has to be mutually beneficial and it has to work for both the countries. Earlier, US President said that he was in no rush to finalize a trade deal despite the apparent breakthrough. In an interview, Donald Trump said he is not planning to make deals with everybody. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has wished Foreign Minister of Norway, Espen Barth Eide, on the country's Constitution Day. In a social media post, Dr. Jaishankar said that India is committed to advancing the multifaceted partnership of both countries. 9 people have been killed in a Russian drone strike on a passenger bus in northeastern Ukraine. The reported attack comes just hours after Russia and Ukraine held their first direct peace talks since 2022. The talks in Istanbul did not lead to any breakthrough, as Ukraine and Russia remain far apart on how to end the war. However, it was agreed that each side would return 1,000 prisoners of war to the other in the coming days. Star Indian javelin thrower Neeraj Chopra finished second at the 2025 Doha Diamond League men's javelin throw event yesterday. Despite a record-breaking 90.23-meter throw, Neeraj had to settle behind Germany's Julian Weber, who started everyone with a final throw of 91.06 meters. Speaking to the media, the Olympian expressed hope of performing even better in the upcoming events.
फरवरी में कोच के साथ ट्रेनिंग स्टार्ट की है। थोड़ी बहुत टेक्निक चेंज हो रही है तो थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, लेकिन मैं खुश हूँ कि फाइनली काफी लोगों का क्वेश्चन था कि 90 मीटर कहीं बोलते भी थे कि नहीं हो पाएगी, क्योंकि 2018 से मैं यहाँ तक पहुँच गया हूँ और 88, 89 के बैरियर काफी बार तोड़े हैं। तो फाइनली मेरा तो नहीं, लेकिन इंडियंस का बर्डन कहीं ना कहीं दूर हो गया है कि हाँ 90 मीटर क्रॉस हो गया है। लेकिन मुझे ये लगता है कि भाई मैं और अच्छी थ्रो कर सकता हूँ और इस साल करेंगे भी।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has congratulated Olympian Neeraj Chopra for surpassing the 90-meter mark at the Doha Diamond League 2025. The Indian Premier League 2025 is all set to resume today after a week-long gap, with a match between hosts Royal Challengers Bengaluru and Kolkata Knight Riders at 7:30 p.m. today. And that is the end of this news bulletin.